Improve construction site safety in 8 practices. Construction is said to be one of the most dangerous professions, precisely working on the worksite. Employers must mitigate safety hazards to construction workers, and workers must take into account the necessary precautions amid hazardous conditions. 1. Awareness. Before setting feet on a construction site, workers must be fully aware of the potential hazards through proper induction. Ignorant workers constitute serious dangers in all industries, and their unintentional mistakes put their coworkers at risk. Every person stepping into construction site must be aware of the job-related risks, and the preventative ways based on construction site safety. Construction managers must make sure that all workers are aware of work-associated dangers on a construction site, and must as well protect workers from these dangers. 2. Training. Workers must attend regular safety-related training sessions throughout the year, before works start on construction site. Although these sessions might cover simple topics, such as fall protection and proper use of ladders, they adequately train all workers. However, workers must practice safety training skills on site to enforce safety rules. 3. Communication. Direct discussions of the goals and activities of the day, minimize bodily harms on site. Clear and concise communications make the project go faster and keep everyone informed. Making sure everyone is doing their job is a way of proper communication and contributes to construction site safety. 4. Documentation. Everyone must make sure of proper documentation of site-related works, in order to enforce construction site safety. To begin building, most construction companies must jump through some legal hoops, and must acquire proper registrations and licenses. Supervisors and contractors handle difficult tasks such as blasting, and they must provide their employment certification in advance. Hence, construction firms are protected from legal actions and public scrutiny. 5. Proper equipment. Construction workers equipped with improper gear have tendency to make fatal errors. All equipment on site must be ideally suited to the given tasks, and construction firms must keep all machinery and material well maintained. They must as well take into account the equipment that doesn't directly contribute to construction project. To prevent dehydration and illnesses, water must be available at all times on site for workers as well as shady places. Longer due projects might benefit from fabric structures to store equipment and cover incomplete sites. 6. Supervision. Every worksite must have a supervisor who is capable of enforcing safety standards. The latter must keep tabs on all employees during the day and must as well correct the ones who don't commit to proper construction site safety procedures. 7. Innovation. Construction firms willing to devote additional resources, in order to keep their employees safe is what is keeping the accidents and injuries rate low. These resources help as well in developing new ideas, to keep construction workers safe and adopting new practices, that enhance security must always be encouraged. 8. Transparency. Accidents happen. Thus, as long as employers do their best to foster safe environments for their workers, any occurring accident contribute to the growing need of augmenting modern safety techniques. Construction sites will eventually become a safe work industry when taking into account transparency along with the 7 aforementioned practices.